for when you say shakol in the water, is there a specific time that you can drink and then it doesn't? Or
Yes, yeah, okay, that's a good question. So there are a few scenarios. Of course, I'm going only in summary. For this, you have to, and we're working on it very hard. All our beautiful team. We're trying to build a channel, a YouTube channel where we're going to cover. We said everything, whatever we say now, it was said before in all of the details, and we're trying to create this these pieces of like halacha, like to the bottom. Like you type the question in our YouTube channel, you get the answer. But to give you this answer, only a summary, because it's a long topic. So if you made a blessing, for example, and you in your car, right, and you just go like for a few minutes out. Let's say you went to fill with the gas, right? It does not consider interruption. You went to the bathroom, stop area. You come back. It's not considered interruption. So this blessing on the water covered as long as you drink it. Like how long? I mean, if you continue drinking periodically, that's covered. I understand, but for example, if you ate like a drink, like a snack, you ate banana. So are you filled with banana? Most people don't, but at least you ate, right? You ate something. You're not as hungry as before. So in these cases, outside you say you have 30 minutes. You have 30 minutes to say the blessing, max 30 minutes. If you feel like you ate a lot, for example, we're not talking about the bread. You ate a salad, you ate a soup, this and that without bread, so you satiated, right? You satiated, so until the next time you feel hungry. So it depends on how much you ate. So maybe for the next 2 hours you're not hungry, maybe. So up to that time you can say the after blessing. And with bread, they say it's bread is more like satiating, right? And same with Mizrachi, so they give us 72 minutes, or right, 72 minutes is minimum, right? And plus, and if you ate a lot, for some people go to the wedding, they eat so much, or they cannot breathe, they can say blessing 5 hours later because they're so stuffed. Is it healthy? It's not healthy, but that's what people do. But otherwise, by default, minimum 30 minutes for snacks, like you didn't get satiated, and 72 minutes for bread, and or until you get hungry. Okay.